afternoon, guys. This is Sean Doyle with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough of our recently traded in 2019 Boss Whaler 420 Outrage. Comes equipped with quad 350 Mercury Verados, roughly right around 430 hours. Step on board. Welcome aboard, guys. A couple of nice key features this 2019 has the cockpit teak tables, really nice seating arrangement, and also the starboard side pull-out bench seat for more seating, of course. It has the summer kitchen option, which is going to give you dual grills, really nice prep area, sink, prep area for fishing, and also your electric grill. And above us, of course, during the day when you're hanging out with the family, you have a really nice sunshade for those really sunny days. Another incredible option on the 420 is your third row of bench seating. Converts super easy, just folds out, gives you another full bench for you and your family to entertain and cruise over the Bahamas. Here we are at the helm of the 2019 420 Outrage. Comes fully equipped with all the electronics from Marine, including two 16-inch axioms, radar, everything you'll need for you and your family. Also comes with the joystick piloting for Mercury as well. Most importantly, up here is your stabilizer, so you have a Seakeeper on board as well. Really nice option for you and family while you're out boating. Let's take a look downstairs. Really nice cabin here on the 42. It's got a ton of windows to give you plenty of natural daylight. Super high ceilings. It sleeps up to 4 down below. You'll have all the essentials you need for your overnighting. Microwave, sink, another fridge, television, and actually a full stand-up shower. Let's take a look inside. The 42 has a wet head with a rain shower up above. Vacuum flush, of course. A lot of headroom. Good for you and the family for those overnight weekends when you're just doing a couple days on board. All right, come up to the bow. It's one of my favorite parts on the 42. It's got a ton of seating, lounging, perfect for you and the family. There's actually quite a few different things. Nice little setting area around the table. It does have an electric high-low table with a filler cushion, so this drops electrically down, converts into another big, large lounge. Also, these convert into forward-facing lounging as well, both sides. You also have a cooler up front, so you don't have to keep walking back and forth. So cooler down below. A ton of storage on every bit of the seating. You actually have canvas and dive tank storage as well up here at the bow. Alrighty, guys, thanks again for watching. Once again, this is Sean Doyle with MarineMax at Pompano Beach. We invite you down to take a look at this beautiful 2019 Boss Whaler 42 Outrage. Look forward to seeing you guys.